Ever wondered about the allure of distressed properties? Or perhaps the charm of a fixer-upper? Today we're taking a deep dive into this exciting world of real estate. Picture this: a property in a less than perfect condition, often sold at a reduced price due to reasons like foreclosure, neglect, or the financial woes of the owner. That, dear listeners, is a distressed property in a nutshell. And fixer-uppers? They're a unique subset of distressed properties that require a little tender, loving care in the form of renovations or repairs. So how does one identify and invest in these fixer-uppers? Let's break it down into 13 comprehensive steps. First, locate distressed properties. Partner with real estate agents who are well-versed in distressed properties or foreclosures. Online real estate platforms that allow for filtering based on condition or keywords can also be a goldmine. Second, understand the market. Do your homework on property values, trends, and potential demand for renovated homes in the area. Third, evaluate the property's condition. A thorough inspection to assess the extent of repairs needed is a must. Keep an eye out for structural issues, outdated systems, and cosmetic improvements. Fourth, estimate renovation costs. Develop a detailed budget and get quotes from contractors or construction professionals for accuracy. Fifth, calculate the after-repair value, or ARV. This is the potential resale value of the property post-renovation, which you can determine by analyzing comparable sales in the area. Sixth, secure financing. Be it a traditional mortgage, a renovation loan, or private funding, ensure you have the necessary finances in place. Seventh, negotiate the purchase price. Use your estimated renovation costs and ARV to secure a favorable price. Be ready to justify your offer with hard data and the property's condition. Eighth, consider contingencies. Include conditions in your offer that allow you to back out if unexpected issues pop up during inspections. Ninth, work with experienced professionals. Collaborate with seasoned contractors, architects, and others to ensure your renovation plan is realistic and cost-effective. 10th, check zoning and permits. Verify local regulations and secure the necessary permits for renovations to avoid delays and fines. 11th, have an exit strategy. Whether it's selling the property for a profit, renting it out, or using it for personal use, have a clear plan in mind. 12th, practice patience. Renovations can take time and unexpected challenges may arise. Be patient and prepared for potential delays. 13th and final step, market strategically. When selling or renting the renovated property, showcase the improvements to attract potential buyers or tenants. In conclusion, investing in distressed properties requires thorough due diligence and consultation with real estate professionals, contractors, and legal advisors. Each market is unique, and understanding local regulations, property values, and renovation costs is key to a successful investment in fixer-uppers.